On today's menu is a lemon pepper chicken in a creamy garlic sauce. You guys, there's nothing else left to say other than welcome, thank you for being here, and let's cook. The first thing that we need to do is to take our chicken breast and tenderize it. I've got 3 large chicken breasts here that I have butterflied, sandwiched in between 2 pieces of clear wrap. And I'm gonna take this mallet and tenderize it. Okay, this is all set. Now, the reason why we do this, guys, is because pounding on it breaks up the fibers in the chicken and makes it more tender. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrap. Okay, so we are going to season today with some salt, and some salt-free lemon pepper seasoning. And you guys, I'm not going to be shy with this, because I do not like bland food. All right. Okay, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing on the reverse side. All right, you guys, so the seasoning is done. One thing that I wanted to do before I put the seasoning on, which is not too late, is to coat this chicken in some avocado oil, and I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, everyone, now off to the skillet this goes, and we are going to cook it approximately 3 minutes on each side until it is golden brown. Okay, everyone, to our skillet, we are going to add some avocado oil and a couple of pats of butter. And to it, we're going to add our chicken breast. And this is going to cook for approximately 3 minutes on each side. Okay. And we are going to do exactly the same thing on this side. Okay, everyone. This chicken is ready to come out of the pan. And then we're going to proceed to make the sauce. Okay, everyone, I just poured off a little bit of the oil, just a little bit too much for my liking. So to this pan that has all the nice drippings and flavor from this chicken, we're going to add our minced garlic. We're going to saute this until this garlic releases all of its essence. Okay, you guys. This is nice and fragrant, so let's go ahead and put in our chicken broth, and this will help to glaze this pan. Okay, now that this is heated through, I'm going to add in some heavy whipping cream. And this is also some heavy whipping cream that has about half teaspoon or so of cornstarch. And this is my thickener. All right, you guys, this has come to a simmer. So at this point, we are going to add in our lemon juice. And some lemon zest. Give this a stir. And just let it cook for about a minute or two, just so all the flavors can come together. And we're going to give it a taste to see if it needs any salt and pepper. We're going to add that to taste. And then we're going to layer this chicken back into the sauce. Okay, you guys, I tasted this sauce and it needed absolutely nothing. So what I did is I layered this chicken back into the sauce. And you guys, this is ready to serve. All right, everyone, because this is a one pot or pan meal, we can serve it exactly that way. All we need to do is to garnish it. And then call everyone to the dinner table. Okay, everyone, delicious, easy, restaurant worthy is this recipe. All we have to do at this point is to serve it up. You guys, you should smell this. Absolutely amazing. Lord, I thank you. Perfection. Give it a try. And when you do, let everybody know that you did. And please do leave in the comments that you've given this a try. And also let me know what you pair it with. Some suggestions is some blistered tomatoes. You can put some asparagus with this, some rice, cauli rice, mashed potatoes, cauli mashed potatoes. Whatever it is that you do, you guys, you make it your own kind of special. Thank you so much for being here. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember to give this video a like and a share. And it is a great day, you guys, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Till we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550.